Wagagu na kigiriko ni igumire family imwe kuma itura-ini ria Gikono mwena wa Kabati kaunti-ini ya Murang'a thutha wa mwari wao kura na njira iri na kiriga.
Please, whoever is holding Nyambura, just release her for me. I may get peace. I can't survive without you, Nyambura.
She's a mentor to me and my brother. And my plea would be, please, just let us know where she is.
Tuna uchungu mingi sana. Ukirudi Nyambura tutakuwa wazuri. Huyu ni shosho yako na shosho wako tena anakupenda.
Kuringana na family no Lilian Nyambura Bogua okuru wa miaka 28 na uria rutaga wira na kambuni ya njohi ya EABL guku Nairobi ainukire kwao mucii tariki 21 niguo kunyitanira na family yake mambura-ini ma gukungwira thiguku ya Christmas.
On Saturday evening on 21st, in fact the night was okay, it was calm, and then the following day they prepared as a family na magithi church. Na even the following day muthenya uyu ungi wa Monday magikorwa matina ini challenge magiukirwo wega.
Kuri muthi wa mwambiririo tariki 23 Nyambura ni aumire kwao mucii mathaa-ini ma thaa 11 kunogora maguru o ta mutugo no ndakuire thimu ciake kuona acitigire ikigia mwaki kwao mucii.
Nyambura is somebody who likes to walk, so we don't see it funny or something just to make her walk. She's used to.
Thaa 4 cia utuko niguo family yake yambiriirie kunyitwo ni wagagu thutha wake kwaga gucoka na mucii.
That time nikamtafuta kwa gari nikamkosa. Ndio nilirudi make some text juu already ilikuwa past 11. The following when I looked for the phones nikazipata kwa nyumba.
Muthenya uria warumiriire tariki 24 niguo mama we hamwe na andu angi a family mathire kuhura riboti ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gikono na thutha ucio makiambiriria mihango ya kumwetha.
She's been my good friend, my confidant. I think she's my best friend.
So I would want her to come back so we can continue building home.
Kuringana na riboti kuma kuri maafitha a DCI, Nyambura araniirie na andu atatu thimu-ini yake mbere ya kura gwake ari hamwe na mwari wa nyina no hatiri ndumiriri irakuruhania aria maririe nake na kura gwake.
And we are still there, so nothing more apart from the 3 numbers.
Arina kieha maithori na ruo rwa ngoro nyina wa Nyambura Sara Wanjiko ni atariirie muthi uria Nyambura orire ekirite nguo ndune gitambaya kia mutwe kia rangi muiru na mweru na furana ya rangi wa blue na tari.
Whoever is having my daughter, please release her for me. And whoever might have seen her anywhere, maybe she's somewhere, let us know, please. Nimekutafuta mpaka Heaven's Gate. Nyambura, you are not there where you go to cry to your God. Please come back.
Please, just let us know where she is. And anywhere that you are, Nyambu, know that I love you.
Hata mwenye ako naye ama pahali yako hatutasema ati Nyambura tulimuona hapa ama hapa. Tunatanyamaza kabisa.
Mundu wothe ungikorwo na riboti o yothe igie Lilian Nyambura Bogua no ahure thimu namba 0715 689 kana ahure riboti ceceni-ini o yothe ya borithi iria iri hakuhi nake. Kuma mucii-ini uyu wa Lilian Nyambura kabarabara-ini gaka kumanagia haha nginyanagia kihingo-ini kiria niho Nyambura agereire muthi ucio atacokire. Umuthi uyu ari thiku ya 7 Nyambura toikaine kuri ari. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma itura-ini ria Gikono Keno kaunti-ini ya Murang'a njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.